Guys, we're back. Today we are decorating the house. You must be thinking, what for, Sammy? For Christmas. Why? Because why not? I do have some inspo, but I'm lying, I actually don't. Whatever I see, I'm gonna get, if I like it. Guys, Melly's been learning Cantonese, so...
I'm picking up as I go.
So this is for all the Cantonese speakers out there.
Ngô hei, lei homa, Melis. No shit. Ngô hei, Melis, lei homa.
You just said my name is hello, Melly.
Ngô hei, Melis, lei homa.
Yeah, but you could literally say hello first. Anyways, is that all you wanted to say?
My G.
Huh?
So sorry.
Domju.
Domji.
Okay. Anyways, bye. Guys, he keeps speaking Cantonese, like to random people, and they don't even understand him. Should we look at the pillows, like cushions and stuff?
What a green one.
The sugar cookie one. Ooh, that smells like hot bread.
Yeah, like yours.
I want like a mini tree though for the thingy. Should we get that mini tree?
What? Windowsill?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, Millie, you're lying.
What?
Guys, I'm gonna show you when I get home, but I literally bought these from Selfridges, £6 each. And then we're gonna go to the range to get some cushions and anything else that we see. I'm so excited. And especially when the house is gonna be all warm, like really warm lights and Christmassy. It's gonna make me feel like really like cozy and oh my god, I'm so happy, like life is worth living. Oh my god, I love the range. Guys, we're so happy. No.
I want actually moves, innit?
Yeah. Owen actually cracks nuts.
Yeah, you're nuts. And you?
That's actually kind of cute. Guys, he really likes that it's like spinning.
Huh?
He really likes that it spins.
No, I was tired.
That's a really cute because we've already got ones from last year, and then we're gonna like spruce it up with these ones. Guys, in the range, we were like skeptical. We were like not sure about the Christmas tree that we bought just now. Anyways, now we went to Tesco's and we found an even better tree that is actually 7 foot, because the one that we got in the range is 6.5, and it is like frosted, which is what I wanted, and then also pre-lit, and it also has acorns in, which is the same as the one we bought in the range, but the one in Tesco has frosted tips and also is 7 foot, so it's a bit bigger and taller, and it costs more, but with the club card it is £75. So now we're literally,
what a deal!
So we're literally going back to the range to return the tree. Guys, look what I got! We wanted to get the Zinger double down, which is this. Melly already took a bite. Guys, we have taken off all of our figurines. I'm gonna like move some bits around just so we can put our tree up. Thinking to move his trophy shelf here, so then this corner could be where the tree is, because if the tree was here it would cover, like it would be covered by the door. So the best thing to do is to put that over there. Is that the stand? to the living room. Ta-da! We've got our throw and then our Merry Christmas pillow. OMG, that looks so good. But yeah, that looks so good, so cozy. And then we've got our nutcracker here, and then our little house there. There's last year. These are the baubles that we got from the range. They're really cute because they're see-through. Well, they're not see-through, but what's it called? I don't know, but you can kind of like see the lights through. Guys, this is literally my dream. It looks so cozy. I feel like we could do a bit more here, but I don't know what else we could do. Yeah. Guys, it is time for dinner. And we're making chicken satay skewers. I'm gonna start off with rice. Made my satay sauce like on really low until it thickens, and then my chicken has been marinating. I'm gonna put it in its skewers.
I wanna have the sauce. It's the best in the world. Yummy.
Good morning! We're on our way to go see Marie's chiropractor. Thank you. So exciting.
Eating that made me way more hungry. I feel like cold.
Yeah, it's cold. Okay, see you when we're there. Guys, we just finished with this chiropractor. Insert a picture here.
Picture?
I'm joking. I did take a picture, but I'm not gonna put it in. Guys, I like my food.
Enjoy your food, guys.
Your wrap looks so good. Guys, my phone, well, my camera died when we was at the restaurant, but we went to Jack Junction and it was actually really good. Because the one in Manchester, it's not crap, but it's like
You haven't been to the one inside the
they haven't got a lot of options, whereas the one that we went to in Cheshire was really good. Anyways, now it is dinner time. We got home, we had lunch, got home, coloured, well, I was colouring, chilling.
So last one after.
Now we're on our way to Tesco's because tonight I'm gonna make carbonara and chicken cutlets. Okay guys, we decided not to have carbonara. He wants like a red sauce instead, so we're gonna do that. So yeah, when we're in Tesco's, we'll see you there. We got McDonald's. So I've got the black pepper and garlic chicken nuggets with the garlic soy dip, Sakura Sprite, and my fries. Mmm. Mmm.
If you're gonna do it
Guys, we are on our way to his chiropractor again because he just likes getting his back cracked. I didn't mean it like that. Guys, we are gonna go back to Wilmslow.
No, we're not.
Wilmslow.
It's changed.
Oh, is it?
The guy was with Man United today.
Where?
He was with Man United today.
Oh,
So he's in Altrincham.
Altrincham.
Yeah.
Duh, like Altrincham and that.
He's in
It's a Pilates studio. Guys, we just came back from Melly's chiropractor. We're now gonna make spam, egg and rice. How was your chiropractor session? Painful. This vlog has been so Christmassy, hasn't it, guys? I think I'm gonna do it in slices. Normally I cube it, but I'm gonna do it in slices. And then I'm gonna show you how I do my spam sauce. We need light soy sauce. Then we have oyster sauce. Then we need some black pepper. Then sesame seeds. Then I like to add honey. And then I like to add brown sugar. Then I add a splash of water. And yeah.
chill.
Oh wow. Just like that, we're on our way. Bye. I mean, see you there. Guys, I don't know why we're rushing. Like, guys, why is his friend all the way over there? Come on now. Fastest I've walked ever. Like in a long time. Why am I walking so quick? Feels like I'm running.
You're running.
I'm not. Guys, there's a whole freaking fire. This is giving like Wednesday. Guys, I've never been to anything like this before. Actually, I don't know. Don't remember. This is actually kind of cute. It's giving like scary though. Guys, I'm wearing my white Uggs and it's muddy and I'm scared. I need wellies. That was a really big one earlier. That was a really big one. Oh, there it is. Ah! Is this what people do? We just come here and watch the fireworks.
Fun though.
Oh my god!
Well, landed in my eye.
Did it? I'm actually scared it's gonna land on me.
No, surely not. It's impossible.
I kid you not, that lasted like 2 seconds. What the hell?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. So I'm gonna catch you guys later. See you in the next vlog. Bye!